Olive oil cakes go back to traditional Mediterranean cooking, where olive oil was abundant and much cheaper than butter. Cakes made with olive oil are tender on the inside and have a light, crunchy outside layer. Generously spray a fluted tube pan. Then always crack your eggs first in a separate bowl. Add the dry ingredients to a mixing bowl. Followed by the remaining ingredients. Start mixing on low, stopping once or twice to scrape the bowl and the beater. Gradually increase your speed to high speed. Then scrape the batter into the prepared pan. This is going to take about 25 to 30 minutes. Or until a tester comes out clean. Allow this cake to cool for 5 minutes before removing it from the pan. Then allow it to cool completely before frosting. As is, this delicious cake has no gluten, dairy, bad fats, or refined sugar. However, if you'd like to ice the cake, take 3 tablespoons of melted butter, a cup of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla, and about a tablespoon of milk. Adjust the powdered sugar and milk until it's the correct consistency. Then drizzle this on the cake. Leaving half of the icing in the bowl. To this, add a 1/4 cup of cocoa, along with a little more milk, and drizzle again. This cake is so delicious, no one will know they're eating gluten-free. I hope you enjoy this cake as much as we do. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more great gluten-free recipes like this one.